everyone, welcome back to Swiss Home Garden. I'm Chitra. In this video, we will be making homemade lip balms. This was a recipe my daughter picked out from a children's magazine over here. This is a small little booklet which you get in the supermarkets, and she was eager to try it out, and we did try it out, but I had to tweak the recipe a little bit to suit our needs. She was not happy with the first batch. We just made 3 of it. She didn't like it so much, so we redid this recipe. This could be an ideal Christmas present to put in your Christmas gift basket. Now let's dive into this recipe. For this recipe, you will need this lip balm sleeves, which you can easily find in Amazon. I will leave the link below in the description box. And then you will need 2 tablespoons of beeswax pellets, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, or you can also use jojoba oil, 2 tablespoons of cocoa butter. This gives a nice flavor to it. And because we like some nice smell, I will be using 100% pure essential oils. Now lavender suits well for this, or you can also use rose essential oil. You can use a pipette to fill the lip balm containers, but the problem is the beeswax very quickly hardens once it is out of the heat, and this is the reason I have a small little chocolate melting container which I use it as a double boiler, and I pour it directly and it works very easily without any wastage. This is my personal experience. You don't need a pipette really. If you can find something with a spout, you can easily pour it into this lip balm containers. The other thing you will have to keep in mind is that if you're using citrus essential oils for having a citrusy flavor into this lip balm, you should remember that citrus essential oils are photosensitive to your skin. So don't use the citrus essential oil lip balms if you're going out in the sun. You can use them at home. These ingredients are pretty much basic for many of the body butter and homemade natural lotions. So if you have these basic ingredients, you can make a few things. So we will be diving into those recipes too. I will get into it in another video. First, heat a pot with little bit of water and place in another container and use it as a double boiler. Add all the ingredients and melt it. Once all the fat has melted, remove it from heat and quickly add in the essential oils and transfer into the lip balm containers. Because we are adding beeswax, this will thicken very quickly, so you will have to work really very fast. Fill in the containers, close the lid and set it aside. These lip balms pretty much can be used immediately, but if you want to quicken the process, you can set it in the fridge for about 15 minutes and they are good to go. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and thank you for watching. Let me know in the comment section below if you have tried out this recipe and if you have some other suggestions where we can improve this recipe. If you're brand new to my channel, kindly subscribe. I post one new video every week on food from scratch, Swiss country living, gardening and natural recipes. I will also be leaving this recipe in my blog post, so take a look at my blog at swisshomegarden.com. You can also subscribe to my blog to get the latest recipes and tutorials. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye bye.